Drone technology advancements have revolutionized agriculture by helping farmers increase profitability and improve efficiency. They are employed for field mapping, surveying, crop studying, and spraying, reducing operation costs, improving crop quality, and increasing yield. Our solutions are designed to achieve sustainable agricultural management decisions. Drones can be fully integrated with multispectral cameras, capable of scanning the terrain autonomously. The data collected by the drones can be downloaded at BXstream, which analyzes and processes them, presenting results in a simple and clear way. Enhance the effectiveness of precision farming through the collection of multispectral data from farms. Detection of anomalies and patterns through aerial maps generated by artificial intelligence algorithms. Pattern analysis and anomaly detection through a data assessment on the online platform. Ensure your farm is healthy by adopting drones to perform the diagnosis of cultures.